Roots. The first part of the plant we're going to look at is the meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue is responsible for the growth in the plant. It is also where mitosis occurs. Mitosis is the generation of new body cells. The apical meristem is responsible for the end growth at roots and stems. That is where the upward growth in height happens. Without the apical meristem, every plant would be a midget, and that's just wrong. The next part of the plant is the lateral meristem. It is responsible for growth and diameter occurring on the outside of stems and roots. After the lateral meristem, we have the vascular cambium. The vascular cambium produces new vascular tissue, that is xylem and phloem. After the vascular cambium, we have the core cambium, which is equally as important. Core cambium is important because it replaces the outer layer of the root and stem systems. The surface tissue is the outer waxy cuticle layer that protects the plant and prevents water loss. It is what you can see beads up the water on the leaf.
Parenchyma tissue. The parenchyma tissue consists of thin-walled cells with main functions of photosynthesis and storage. Next is the sclerenchyma tissue. Thick-walled cells with main functions of photosynthesis and storage. Vascular tissue. Tissue responsible for the transportation of food, water, and minerals. Xylem. Transports water up the plant in one direction. Phloem. Transports food and minerals in various directions throughout the plant.
Our next root structure is the primary root. It is an organ which forms at the root pole of the plant embryo and a young seedling. A taproot is the primary root in older plants. Similar to the primary root, we have the taproot. A taproot is a root that developed off an embryonic root and is deep-rooted underground, and it may just be one root. An example of this would be a carrot. Thick root. The fibrous root has many thin roots jutting off of it. An example of this would be the end of a corn stalk.
Aerial root. Roots exposed to air in order to absorb moisture. Example, Spanish moss. Adventitious root. Or prop roots, specialized roots which grow directly from the stem above ground. Example, corn. Credits, Carissa Caldwell, Richie Crystallite, Megan Toth, and Andrew Stead.